Hello everyone, welcome to our videos. This is our 29th video of our Golang series. In the previous video, we have discussed about the channels, right? Now you have a clear understanding about the buffered channels and unbuffered channels, those things, right? Okay. Today's topic is also based on the channels. Today we are going to discuss about the channel directions. This is very important concept. I will teach you that while doing the example. Okay, first I will create a function called send, right? In this function we use only send values to the channel, right? When using channels as a function parameter, we can specify if a channel is meant to only send or receive values, right? In this case, we want to pass channel to this function, but we can say this channel we only use for sending values, right? Okay. First, we want to get the channel as a parameter. I say CHA, right? And then this channel, right? And then we can say this way, type is string, right? In this way, we can say to this function, right? In this channel, you can use only for sending message, right? This is a very important thing when we are learning about the channel directions, right? In here, if we want to send some message, I will pass that message as a message string, right? We can send that message to the channel. How we can say message, right? In this way, we can send message to the channel, right? This direction is says that this channel use only for sending messages, right? Another thing is that receiving content from the channel, right? Okay, then I will create another function called send and receive, right? Send and receive. In this function, I want to pass two channels, right? One for receive values, one for sending values, right? First I will pass the channel 1 for sending values, right? Can, right? String, right? Other channel I will pass for receive, right? How we can pass that channel? Like in this way we can pass, right? CHA2. I will rename this send channel and receive channel, right? This way we can specify the channel directions, right? We can specify channel directions. This is a sending channel. This is the way that we can say the direction. This is the receive channel. This is the way that we can set the direction, right? Okay, then if we want to send some value to this function, how we can say? First, I want to receive some value. How we can receive some value? We can receive some value using this way. Message equal, right? Receive channel. In this way we can get a message from the channel, right? And then we can send channel, we can send some message, right? Like in this, right? Hope you have got a understanding about channel directions, right? In this send channel, we are saying that this function we only use for sending messages, right? Then we want to specify the channel direction, right? Using this annotation after the channel, right? This operator, we can say this channel for only sending values, right? And then in here, this also sending values, right? Sending channel, this is a receiving channel, right? Before the channel keyword, I can use this operator to mention that this is a receive channel, right? Hope you have a clear understanding about the channel direction, right? Then I will create a channel called CHA, right? Make, right? Chan string, right? Size is 1, capacity, right? And then I will create another channel CHA1, right? CHA1, make 10, right? Type is string, capacity is 1, right? And then I call to the send function, right? Send function with the channel CHA, right? What is the message that I want to pass? I am passing pin, right? After that, I will call to the another function. What is the another function? Send and receive function, right? Send and receive. First, I want to specify the channel which will receive the values, right? What is the receiving values here? I can say this one is no, right? This one is only used for sending, right? This one is for receiving, CHA1, and then we can say another one, right? Now these ones are okay, right? What is the output now? In here you can't see any output because we haven't put any parameter printing here, right? Now I am printing some value fmt dot println, right? I want to receive some value, right? How we can receive some value? There's a receive channel called CHA1, and then we can use that one. What is the output now? Ping, right? In here I have used this CHA channel, right? I am rename this as send channel and this as the received channel. Then you can get a clear understanding about the both names, right? Receive channel. Okay, if we want to send some value, we can use the send channel. If we want to send and receive values, we can use both receive and channel and the send channel, right? Right? This is the all about regarding the channel directions, right? Hope you have got a clear understanding about channel directions, right? This is very simple thing, right? No more harder understanding thing. These are very simple thing. You want to only know these two thing, right? If you want to mention the direction, right, with the channel for only send values, right, we can use this annotation. If you want to mention the channel that for receive one, we can use this annotation, right? Okay, hope you have got a clear understanding about the channel directions. If you have learned new things, please subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please put those things to the comment section, then I will answer to those questions. Okay, we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.